Namaskar, friends. A question had come up. Is desire management an essential skill to be learned? Friends, my answer is desire management is the most important skill we need to learn in life. In fact, you can learn all other skills in life, and if you lack this desire management, you lack everything in life. In fact, you can't live life to its fullest potential if you lack desire management. The question is the desires managing you, or are you in management of your desires? Let's take the first scenario. If the desire is managing you, what happens? You could be well educated, you could come from a reputed family, you could be in a good job, but if your desires are managing your mind, if desires are managing the way you think and act and behave, then you are in a very precarious situation. If your desire is managing you, there's every possibility you will become a victim to weak emotions, anger. If the desire is not happening in the way it has to happen, you become angry. You give in to anger. And it could be fear. In certain aspects, when the desire is managing you, you give in to fear. You give in to jealousy. You give in to envy. You give in to insecurity. All these aspects happen in your life when the desire is in control of you. The desire is managing your mind, not you, your confluence of mind and intellect managing your desires. Now, the other scenario, if your mind and intellect, a pure emotion and a clear intellect manages your desires, there could be situations where it is not going your way. Your desires are not getting fulfilled, but you don't give in to weak emotions. You don't become a victim of anger. You will know how to deal with anger. Maybe at times you will use your anger, but you will never lose your anger because you are in control of the desire. You know how to deal with the situations. Another scenario where as one of your colleagues or relatives have done very well in life, if the desire is managing you, you become anxious, you become jealous, and you won't be able to deal with them. If your mind and intellect, if you are in control, management of your desires, another colleague of yours can be doing well, a friend of yours could be doing well, and they become a source of inspiration because the confluence of mind and intellect helps you to deal with acceptance as such. You accept their success. As a result, they become a source of growth, evolution, inspiration for you. So, friends, the same with fear and all other negative emotions. It's very important that you manage your desires well rather than you allowing the desires to take control of you. Once you allow the desires to take control of you, your life will be nothing but a series of agitations, frustrations, anger, and suffering. But if you are in control of desires, if you are able to manage your desires well, I'm telling you, it becomes a great source of evolution for you. Mind and intellect is dedicated towards helping each one of you develop this control, this management of desires, which is the most essential or crucial skill to be learned, with which you can deal with your life gracefully, beautifully. That's our mission, helping each one of you help live your life in a graceful, in a blissful way. Try out. Namaskar.